Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloud DevOps. In this quick 3-minute video, we'll walk through some essential Kubectl commands to deploy and expose a simple Nginx application inside a Kubernetes cluster. Let's get started.
Now, let's check if the deployment was created successfully. The Kubectl get deployment command lists all deployments in the current namespace. You can see our nginxtest deployment is up and running.
Let's dig a bit deeper and look at the pods. Kubectl get pods shows the actual running instances of our application. These pods are automatically managed by the deployment.
To make our application accessible, we need to expose it as a service. This command creates a service of type cluster IP by default, exposing port 80 of the nginxtest deployment. Now other components in the cluster can reach the nginx app. Let's verify the service. Kubectl get svx lists all services in the cluster. We should see a new service for nginxtest with a cluster IP assigned.
By default, the service is only accessible inside the cluster. To access it externally, we patch the service to change its type to NodePort. This assigns a port on each node, so we can reach it from outside the cluster.
You can use your node's IP address along with this port to access the nginx welcome page in your browser. That's it. We've deployed an app, exposed it internally, and then made it publicly accessible, all in just a few commands.